welcome to my stream. Let's hope the mic's working properly. So, forgot to wear this mic last time I streamed, but that's fine. Hopefully my voice is deep and attractive as ever. Alright, so, today we will be doing coding problems since I got some positive reinforcement from that last stream. But first, I gotta do something with my streams. Recently, I want to go to this screen and show you guys something. So, where's that Safari thing? Yeah, okay. So, recently, actually, no, I should add some tags. You see, I heard that if you add tags, more people watch you, and I want that, so we're adding tags. We're scamming people with as many tags as possible. We're having a crazy amount of tags here today, folks, but main point here, look at this. Look at these crap stats. You guys seeing this? Look at this, 800 minutes watch. I know I stream once a week, and my streams are of crap quality, but seriously, look at this. This is pathetic. No one watches my streams. I have my average viewer count is down. Nobody followed me. Nobody's chatting. This is pathetic. This is sad. Look at this. And last month was already going down, but still going pretty great. And look at this. This is what it's supposed to be. Hey, sad. Very sad, you know, folks. But alright, let's get to coding. Oh wait, I gotta turn on my second viewer. I mean my second stream. Like, look, my chat viewer, alright? This is what I use to get an extra view. Because nobody watches my streams, so I gotta get all these things myself. The views myself, I mean. Sorry guys, not very coherent today. Wait, no, this is not the stream I want to show you. Yeah, okay. We're live, good. 2 viewers, nice. Good to know it's registering. Alright, so today we'll be doing AOC. Not the Congresswoman, but the coding challenge. So, I'm gonna be doing like 2 of these problems. Cause you see, the cool thing about this is, let me see, if I go to the home page, does it show? Yes, it does. So, cool thing about this thing is, the more you do the coding problems, the more complete the Christmas tree is, which is great. I like Christmas trees. I like nice colors, because I'm very immature, but I mean, I like to review this whole thing. So, you know, today we're going to be hopefully I can review around 3 layers. But should be easy because I have a big brain. I'm Asian after all. And if we finish before that, then I'm going to do some cool things on replay. I'm going to make a Rickroll for my friends. To use on my friends, not for them to use. I'm not that nice. Okay, so first step. Opening VS Code. I'm just going to open sussy.py. Where is it? I had a special file used especially just to do stuff. Like, no, just to write random crap on Python. Oh, let's just make a folder. Where's this? Like this? Aha! Alright, we got it, focus. We got it, gentlemen. Let me make a new one. Okay. Among Us Python code. And I give all my Python folders a green label, so I know it's Python. Alright, opening it, and now let me screen share. Where's VS Code? That's weird, it's not showing. Wait, does it show now? Dang it, I'm making a file to see if it works. Okay, now is it showing? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Test.js untitled workspace? Where? No, so there's this little faded off window that in the list of windows you can share, but I can't click on it for some reason. Okay, this is weird. This is not expected. What if I change this, switch this up, okay? And now, can I? Yes, I can. Alright. So today's problem, let's click on the day 2 thing. I was told there will be no math. The elves are running low on wrapping paper, and so they need to submit an order for more. They have a list of the dimensions of each present and only want to order exactly as much as they need. Mighty skimpy elves, eh? Just like the Chinese. I can make fun of the Chinese, by the way, because I'm ethnically Chinese myself. Not mainland Chinese. That sucks. Mainland Chinese sucks. Okay. For example, a present of them. Oh, fortunately, every present is box, which makes calculating the. Look at this. Look at this. They give us a link to the Wikipedia article on right rectangular prism. It's a freaking rectangular. Like, it's a rectangular box. And they link to it. What do they think I am? Retarded? Well, you know, programming humor, I guess. You can never tell. I mean, is this a joke, or do they actually think the people who do this challenge are that stupid? Anyway, which makes calculating the required wrapping paper for each gift a little easier, and they give us a formula. The elves also need a little extra paper for each present, the area of the smallest side. For example, I don't need examples. My big brain already knows what I need to do. All right. How many total square feet of wrapping paper? Okay. To begin, get your puzzle input. Yeah, sure. Okay, so it's this big ass text file. Obviously, I can't copy and paste this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get the content of this by reading the URL. I think you can get the text file by the URL, right? How to get. Oh wait, can I download it? Download link file. Yes, I do have. I can download. Okay, no need for the complicated stuff then. Just drag and drop. Okay, we got input.txt. Yes. All right, now I'm just going to test. Look at it. I'm just going to try to sort through it in Python, just to make sure that they don't. It's not one of those files where they type something and then there's a backward slash and to denote each new line, because that always messes things up, and I need to do some extra coding for that. Let's hope it's not like that, but still. Let's do a test for it. So file equals open input.txt. Oh wait, gotta put in a string. Alright, feeling big. My brain is feeling big already. For line in file, print line. So does it split into lines? Yes, it does. Okay then. Alright. So these are the dimensions for the prism. And we have the length, the width, and the height of. This is the order in which the information is presented. So we gotta find the total square feet, the amount of wrapping paper we need, and then add that. Okay, so here's what we need to do. First, we need to take this information, and then we need to convert each of these, right? The number in the first place to length, the number in the middle to width, and the number. Okay, we need to put these numbers into their respective variables, L, W, and H. And then we need to use this formula over here that they have in the browser, the one with 2 times L times W plus 2 times W times H plus 2 times H times L. We can just, because we have the variable names in place, we'll just copy and paste this, right? For each line we iterate over, and then that is the amount of wrapping paper we need for the box, and then we add that to the smallest side. Okay, I know how to do this. After we okay, we make variables for each of these equations. 2 times L plus W. Okay, we make equation variables containing L, the values for L times W, W times H, and H times L. And then we put them in a list, and then we sort through the list to see which is the smallest, and then we add that to the sum of all of these variables. Easy. Easy peasy. Okay. So first, we need to get the variables. So they are L, W, and H. So L, W, H equals line select 0 to 1. Okay, this is, so the start is 0, and that's 1, and then that's 2. Okay, actually, I'm going to print line 0, 2, just to see if the selector does select the first number. That will be easy from them on. So the first number returned would be 25. For X, what? Where did 4X come from? Well, that's odd as heck. Q terminal. Let's do that again. Okay, this is obviously not what we want. Weird ass list. Okay, what if 0, 1? Enter. That's just one number. That's not what we want. Okay, then just print line again. Print line again. Okay, so the first is 30x? Dude, this is weird. Okay, you know what? All we need to know is whether is how we select something. Oh, easy. This is so easy. Line dot split x. Easy. Yeah, and we got a list of numbers, and they have the slash n. Okay, they got the slash n. That's fine. Okay, first length. What are the variables again? I keep forgetting. I have short-term memory loss. Length which height equals line dot split x, but the last one a 0, number 2, right? In the type of counting that starts with 0. With that, we only select the length minus. Okay, so we find the length of that selection, and then we only select from the start to the length minus 2 to remove the 4/n. Easy. So dot length. Wait, how do we do this? Okay, I know. Okay, no. We just define like line split x, and then we do a little post-processing with h. h equals equals length h selected. Oh no, h selected by length h, right? 0 to length h minus 2. Okay, and then print L, W, and H. Heat works perfect. Wait, H keeps alternating between 1 and 2. Okay, let's just make sure this is working right, and let's see if the numbers normally end in 1 and 2 too. Oh, forgot to add the print. L, W, H. Print. Uh-oh. Alright folks, we kinda got a problem here. These numbers all end like in random numbers. But with our code, they all end with 1 or 2. Which is very bad. This is not supposed to happen. Also, let me check if my viewer account is registering. I want them juice. Get toasted. Hey, toasted man. How you doing? Dude, I'm sorry I didn't respond to your comment earlier, alright? It's... Oh, the guy left. There's only 2 viewers. Dang. Why don't I have viewer alerts on? This sucks. Dang it. Well, gets toasted. I humbly thank you for the few minutes you spent on my stream. That helps my stats a heck lot. I got 35 followers. Yes! Thanks, Toasted. Thanks so much. Announce Toasted is poggers because he followed. Poggers. Sorry. Alrighty. Okay. Dang. My tablet is connecting really bad. Let me just reload and the viewer count should go back up to 2. Thanks, Toasted. You will forever live in my memory. Alright. This is beautiful. See what happens when you complain about your stats at the beginning of the stream? You get followers. Learn from me, folks. Okay. So what is going wrong here? What if I wrap this in brackets? Oh, yes! That should... Okay, that doesn't work. That doesn't work at all. Still ending in 1s and 2s. Crap. Dang it. Anyone else whose messages am I saying? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna shrink the window like this so that I can always see the screen. For you guys, it's just a big black void. Not something else that's also big and black, but here for me that's the chat window. That way I'll never miss another one of your messages. So what do we do here? What am I doing wrong? Oh, okay, I know. Wait, let me just go back to this, right? Let me just print everything. LWH. Now, we got these no numbers. Wait, what? It does it now /n? Then what the heck was I thinking? What the heck was I doing? Dang it. Alright, LWH. No need for change. Let's go. Then we just need to copy and paste that equation in. Let me get that. 3 viewers! This is either the Get Toasted, the Toast Man, or Dad What. My loyal regular viewer. Shout out to Dad What. He's a big, great dude. While I wait for Sad Person to review himself, I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Okay. Okay, so we just need to figure out individual values for these. I'm gonna call this LW equals, remove the 2 times. Also put spaces between the stars and the variable names. What sort of sicko even writes code like that? WH equals this and this. Yes. And then HL equals this. Alrighty, any new chat messages? MSGs? Nope, no MSG. Too bad. Us Asians really like MSG. Both chat messages and toxic food flavoring. Alright, so we got the length of T size. Okay, and then okay, let me test something. We first print LW, WH, and HL. And then min a list of containing LW, WH, and HL. And let's see if we can, can't multiply sequences of non-int by non-int of type string. Oh, okay. Looks like they're all strings. Apparently, forgot to convert them into int. That's fine. A L W H equals int L int W and int h. Alright, should work. Yes, it is properly selecting all of the smallest numbers. Good, good, beautiful. Alright, then we're just gonna take that and call it small affectionately. Okay, so we got all of these variables, we got the small number. Now what? Oh yeah, and then we just add everything up. We just print. Wait, what was this? The whole complete assignment again? What's the whole assignment? So we need to find the total amount of wrapping pair needed, right? Okay. Oh no! The third guy who was watching left. Oh, come on. Why? You know, folk, you give me a heck lot of joy by just having me playing in a spare window with the audio muted. I swear, you know, doesn't take much effort and makes a man happy. Come on, do it for my sake. Alright, promo over. Let's do coding. Alright, let's just paste that equation again. Dang it, I keep having to switch between tabs. So it just keeps, so the VS Code window keeps shrinking and expanding for you guys. Yes, the third guy is back. The third guy is back. Yes, beautiful. Now I feel motivated, and look at that. I've almost completed the whole thing. Yep, complete amount of wrapping pair needed. Wait. Where are those measurements they provided in that tab? Inches or feet? Every present is a box, require wrapping paper. Okay, so the dimensions are in feet. Okay, good. Then them some thick presents. Dude, what sort of present is 6 feet long, 12 feet wide, and 8 feet high? That is a goddamn like A-bomb or something. Toy A-bomb. A-bomb plushie. You know, folks, if I was a big and famous streamer and I had a plushie of my own, now would be the perfect time to promote my plushie. You know? This is a thick ass present. It's like a huge plushie, just like my plushie. Unfortunately, I'm not big. I'm not famous. I don't have a plushie. Sad. So here's just a pillow instead. Here. You know, here's a pillow. That's big, I guess. Sad. All right. Back to doing sad coding. Okay, so is that the amount of wrapping paper we need? How do I submit this? How many total? Okay. Then we just iterate over all of these things. Let's make an empty variable. You know, num equals 0, and then total. I'm gonna make a variable called total. Total equals this equation plus small, and then num plus equals total. You know, I'm big brain because I use these shorter forms. These little things, you know, the combinations of other small things, and you combine them, and it's faster than doing all the little things individually. You get my idea. I don't know the technical term, but you get my idea. Wait. Oh, okay, no, I didn't want to print that. Then we print. Oh wait, I gotta call it sum. Sum here. Okay, and that is a heck lot of wrapping paper. Santa's going bankrupt this year. Okay, answer, submit, please. Yes, right on the first try, baby. Big brain. I have a big brain. Big brain moment. All right, genius. Oh, look at that. If you get 1 star, they make the tree green. Once you get 2 stars, they give you the little color things. Gosh darn it. Alright, can't get away with doing 1 star. We gotta see the whole thing through, folks. We gotta get the color stuff. Alright, part 2. The elves are also running on ribbon. Ribbon is all the same width, so they only have to worry about the length they need to order. The ribbon required to wrap a present is the shortest distance around its size or the smallest perimeter of any one face. Each present, smallest perimeter? Oh. Okay, so you find the side with the tiniest perimeter, and then you just return the perimeter. That's it. Simple. It's easy for my big brain. Each present also requires a bow made out of a ribbon as well. Darn. The feet of bow required for a perfect bow is equal to the cubic feet of volume of the present. The cubic feet of volume, then that is one long ass bow you're having. Because if I have a present, that's, okay, three viewers, good. If I have a present that's 2 feet wide, okay, no, that's big ass. Okay, you know what, fine. Because they're using these kind of measurements for the problems anyway, so I don't feel guilty doing this, being sloppy with the measurements. Here's 2 feet, and 1 feet, and 1 feet. That is 2 square feet. You're gonna need 2 feet of ribbon? Oh. Actually, that sounds pretty reasonable, but what if you go over 1, alright? They keep submitting these big ass present dimensions, so I'm gonna use these big ass present dimensions. 2 feet, 3 feet, and then 2 feet, alright? So you got one big present here. 4 times 3, 12. 12 feet, a 12-foot ribbon. You know how long that is? Wait. That is longer than me, alright? That's more than twice my height. That's almost 3 times my height. That is too big a ribbon. These coding problems make no sense, man. These coding problems make no sense, but it's fine. I gotta solve them. I gotta get the stars. I gotta get a sweet street cred. And also, I want to see that colored Christmas tree. I lost a viewer. Darn it, again. Am I not entertaining enough? Am I not entertaining enough? Hey, I swear. Gosh darn. Alright then. Back to coding. Back to my sad coding. Okay. Now that we've got that solved, what was the problem again? Ribbon. Find the perimeter of resources. Oh wait, I'm gonna need the original code. Right, okay. We don't need this anymore. We don't need all these sum things anymore. But we do need the total feet of ribbon, so we're gonna keep the sub variable. Now, we gotta find the perimeter, the smallest perimeter. So how do we do that? We find the shortest size, right? Basically, we take length, width, and height. We find the 2 shortest, and then we multiply the sum of that by 2. Cause see, length, width, and height, they at any point they get one of these sides touch the other 2 sides. So we don't need to worry about like, does length touch width? Does width touch height? You know, so we just find the 2 shortest variables, and then we multiply. We add them and then multiply them by 2. Because think about it, if you got some like long rectangular thing, right? And a little square at the end. If I find the 2 smallest variables, I'm gonna get the height and the width, see? Teeny tiny variables. And I'm not gonna get the length, so big brain logic. So min, we're gonna find min. Oh wait, but I need to, how do you find the 2 smallest variables? Wait. Is there a way to do that in Python easily? How to find 2 smallest variables in a list, Python. Find second smallest number, eliminating the smallest number from the list and then printing the minimum from the list. Okay. So you gotta do the eliminating manually. Sad. We need automation, folks. This is too much work for my big brain. Us geniuses shouldn't have to do manual stuff like this. Alright. but things are the way things are, so let's get to it. So list. Okay, so we got min, list W, L, W, and H. And then, wait, smallest. Oh wait, okay, small is min and small 2 is the second smallest number. Small 2 equals min L, wait, oh yeah, list L, W, H dot, how to remove variable. How to remove variable from list, Python. Specify the value of that element and pass it as an argument to the method. Remove, okay, dot remove. Alright, good, good, there's an easy way. Dot remove a small, there we go. Print small 2. I'm just seeing if this works. Darn, none type is not iterable? None type, what's none type? Oh, this is returning none? How come? That's odd. That's very odd. Why don't we print this list? Just this list. Wait, gotta select it right. Okay, selected it. Nice. Now I have print this. Alright. None, none, none. It's all none. Why? Okay, that's not working. But if I remove like one specific variable, right? If I remove dot width, it's none too. This dot remove, so it's not specifically what I'm removing. It's the remove itself. Sussy. Okay. Dot remove returns none. The remove removes that element and doesn't return a value. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, I get what's happening. So that remove removes that variable from the element. And it doesn't return anything. Which is why I'm getting nones. What I need to do is just put the removing outside of any print and then print the list again. Okay, then we're gonna make a dim list, dim sum. Actually, you know what? Dimensions, right? Sum. I'm gonna use that later on when I solve this coding challenge. So we're gonna get a dim sum variable. We're gonna have a variable called dim sum. Oh dang it! There was a third viewer and that guy's gone. Why? So sad. Hey, well, some people just don't know what's good for them. Some people just don't have good taste, you know? We gotta live with these people, man. We just gotta accept them. It's a fact of life. Okay, but back to coding. Dims list equals list L, W, H. Small equals min dim list. Dim list dot remove small. Print. Oh, min dim list again. Okay, now let's print that. Alright. Okay. Now up here, let's print dim list just so that we can make sure it's all working correctly. So I have 14, 16. So for the dimensions 27, 29, 10, my function took out 10 and 27, which is right. These are the two smallest. And 26, 16, 24, 16, 24. All correct. All right, good. We're good, folks. We're good. And I'm big brain. Okay. Beautiful. So now that we've got them, we can just sum them. Oh, wait. That's the dim list, right? So dim sum equals sum dim list. Yes, yes. Oh, no, it's funnier if I just call it dim. Then like it makes way more sense when I call it dim sum. Fitting into stereotypical Chinese, fitting into Chinese stereotypes. What a life. Okay. Dim sum equals sum dim. Small 2 equals minimum dim. Yep. But I think the ribbon length, right, okay. We don't only add this, we don't only return the sum of the size, because if you think about it, here's a square, here's the height of the square, here's the width of the square. Width, height, that's not the complete, that's a complete format. Oh, dang it, my second view, my free view ran out of battery, darn it. Too bad. Well, one view, one pathetic view. Sad, tragic. Well, whatever, I guess. Nothing's gonna save my channel now. It's just gonna die a slow, agonizing death until it's so bad. Things get so bad I have to stop streaming. Sad. Well, I mean, alright, you know what? I'm gonna cheer myself up. We just got 35 followers, which is great. Poggers to Toastman. Get me to goal description. Get me to affiliate. I want that sweet. Okay. Get me to affiliate. I want that sweet cash. Darn it. The letters don't fit. For that sweet cash. Yes. Can't add an extra sweet. No. Alright, start goal. Ready? Yes. Follower goal starting. Beautiful. Alright. Back to coding. Jeez, what's up with my throat today? We got a second viewer, even without the free extra view that ran out of battery. Beautiful. Is it the toast guy? It's cool if you're the toast guy, because I want to thank you. You're a big poggers, man. Finally, 35 followers, I swear. After 2 weeks of not getting any followers, that's a big relief. Alrighty, back to coding, I guess. Where's the VS Code? Okay, here. So we need to multiply dim sum by 2 times 2, and then print dim sum. Is that right? Is it returning? Aw, dang it. Int object is not callable? What's callable? Darn. Oh, wait, have I converted them to string int yet? Yes, I have. Int object is not callable. Okay, what if I just print the sum of dim? Okay, the problem is with summing dim. Alright, then dim sum would equal small plus small 2. I guess we can use some dim sum. We can do dim sum equals sum dim today, folks. Sorry. Alright, but let's see if that works. Dim sum equals small plus small 2. Yes, it does. Let's just put that in brackets. Times 2. Oh, wait. I have to check if this is correct. Let's just print the list along with it too. Wait, but I did a test and it was returning the correct small numbers. But like, how come there's a 0 here? How is there a 0? Sorry, folks. I just gotta print out dim. Just to be sure. Print dim. 31, small 17 and 14. Yes, it's correct. Oh. Wait, there's 0? Oh, okay, so there was a present where all the dimensions are 0. Darn, alright, I'm correct. Big brain moment. Okay, so we got dim sum. Let's print that times 2. And then we got the length of the ribbon here to wrap the present. So now the length of the ribbon. What was the length of the ribbon again? Something about multiplication. Okay, so the feet of the ribbon required for the perfect bow is equal to the cubic feet of volume of the present. That's easy. Cubic feet, that's just all of the dimensions multiplied. So ribbon equals LWH. Oh, okay. I gotta add the multiply symbol. Ribbon equals L times W times H. Is that correct? Yeah, must be. Ribbon length and then plus ribbon. Okay. So, let me just review. Is there any big problems with this? Ribbon length sounds reasonable. Cubic, yep. That's a cubic feet, alright? Yeah, makes sense. Alright, now last thing we need to do is, well, actually I should split the ribbon thing. Okay. And a sum plus equals dim sum. And print dim sum, print sum. Alright folks, the moment of truth. Is your big brain boy going to get it on the first try too? This time. Yes! First time, baby, again! Now let's look at that beautiful Christmas tree. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. We got all them Christmas decorations. Well, this has been a successful competitive coding thing. Also, why did that one guy leave? Couldn't stick through, eh? Well, it's fine. He's a cool guy. He contributed to my watch minutes. Guy's fine. Okay. Well, I mean, what do I do now? I don't think I have time for another layer, because each of those took 22 minutes, and there's only 16 minutes left in the stream. I think I'm gonna do a good old-fashioned, quick rickroll. Alright, so I'm gonna close that window. Where's the part where I edit the window I'm sharing? Oh, okay, I'm already sharing the browser window. That's nice. I'm just gonna close this up. Hey, Dad, what? You're here. How you doing? Been a long time since I saw you. I mean, actually, I just saw you last week, but missed you. How you doing? While you craft your reply, I'm gonna make a new REPL. A big rickroll thing. Live rickroll. Live stream? Wait. Oh, template? Yeah, definitely Flask. Who uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Pathetic. Well, actually, come to think of it, I should probably go with that because I don't know how to use Flask very well. You use HTML, CSS, and okay, because well, I mean, there's nothing wrong with using HTML, CSS, and JS. Just kind of second rate, that's all. But I don't know how to use anything. I don't know how to use Flask very well. I like Flask, but most of the projects that I've done using Flask fail. So, and the point of Stream is to make something that works. So I'm just gonna use this just this time. I swear. Off screen, I'm all Flask. What do I call this? What is the good name for a rickroll for your classmates? Well, yes, I am doing stuff. Yes, I am. Classmate rickroll now. Rickroll that I built on stream? No, that doesn't. That's way too long. It's pretty funny. They're autofill, self-reliant, happy viruses. But no. The point is not to see find the auto funny. The point is to get a good name. Okay. Just Rickroll? No, that's too plain. Okay, Scuff, Rickroll, Scuff, Software, Rickroll. Like, I want to reflect the fact that I'm spending. I'll give you a video. Yes. No, you're not sending me a link. You're not sending me a link to Never Gonna Give You Up. If you do that, I'm muting you for 3 seconds. 3 whole seconds. Alright, I'm awaiting your video. Wait. By giving you a video, do you mean like you're gonna paste the URL in the chat? Okay, that's not the link. Or is it? Wait. I know of the existence of a second Rickroll video. Never Gonna Give You Up. The guy, Rick actually performed that somewhere else, I think. Down there. Oh, they're just showing me these spam recommendations from videos in Chinese. Okay, so Never Gonna Give You Up. Where's the one where he performed like something? Also, any new chat messages? Fine. I'll trust you, Dad. What? I'll trust you because you're a long-time viewer. I made a beat out of monkey noises. Can you guys hear this? Okay, I get the idea. I'm just gonna skip to the middle to see how it goes, but okay. Alright, I get the idea. Okay, that one, yeah, sure. That's funny. But oh wait, you know what? That gives me an idea. What if I make a Rickroll out of like something? Wasn't there this Python library that helped you make sounds? Wait, I think it was no reason for Rickroll anymore. We have this. Oh, yes. Rickrolling with this. That is a good idea. That is a brilliant idea. All right. Monkey noises Rickroll. Yes. Create REPL. Alright. We're doing this. Okay. I'm gonna do go follow my standard SOP with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Oh, my mom's home. Let's be clean now. So, oh, hi mom. So, delete all the stuff I don't understand, and oops, click the link again. Okay, and then I want to show the video, right? This has got to link to another site, so I'm just going to make a monkey.html that we're going to have a link in here which links to that HTML file, because we don't want to show it on the first page. We want to deceive people. Hey mom, Dad what says hi. Alright, and what? Okay, so on the first page we're gonna fool people. We're gonna make them think they're seeing something legit. So what is something that I can make up? 4 viewers. I have 4 viewers. I swear that it's the chat messages. They attract people. 4 viewers. Beautiful. And if all 4 of you could follow, that would be real nice. Okay. Back to coding. That's what the viewers came here for. I need to give them juicy content. What do we call the title? What do we frame this as? We gotta deceive people with something. We gotta tell them this isn't a rickroll. It's, but then it's what? What is it? Oh, I know. What if we frame it as like a little fun, you know, for monkeys? Yes, monkeys, underage monkeys are being. Oh wait, no. That's for the main HTML file, but right now for the title, save the monkeys, save the children. Get it? 3 viewers. It is what it is. Yep. And H1. Underage monkeys in Africa are being enlisted to fight in wars, in local conflicts, I think. Wait, is there a page for this, for an actual charity that I can copy off of? Children enlisted Africa. Okay. Are being enlisted to fight. Wait, how did I introduce this? Child soldiers. Children have been recruited for participation in military operations campaigns throughout history and in many cultures. That's interesting. Okay, but how do they introduce this? Oh man, dang, I don't know how you like use a language. What sort of language should I be using? What? Drafted to fight in local tribal conflicts. No, just local conflicts. H3. We must stop this now. Oh, H1. Help stop this now by giving us lots of money. Wait, should I put this as the P, or let me see. So if I enter this right now, that's what it looks like. Okay, this should probably be a paragraph element. Run. Nah, H2, H3. Run. Okay, good. Looks good. And then we have a label for equals donation, amount. Oh, yeah, 4 equals amount, and then, right, we gotta have a closing tag. Amount to donate. And an input type equals text. I swear, VS Code's autocomplete makes it way faster. But Replik's too good. I just gotta use Replik, man. They got the package manager built in. That's sweet. Input type equals text. ID equals amount. Right. Oh. Placeholder equals $69.42. Cash symbol. Yes. Okay, how does it look? Pretty good. Wet juicy monkey content. Yes, sir. Very juicy. Alright. We're gonna make this big, I think. Oh wait, we need to make a form. And then copy and paste this. Okay, now that's in the form, and then in the CSS we can do form label. right, display block, and it should, yes, it should display neatly like this. And now, because I think it looks, I think the input form looks fine in browsers like Firefox or Chrome, but in Safari it looks bad. So form input, I'm just gonna change this a little bit. Border 1px solid, height 25px, width 150px. Alright, let's run this and see what it looks like. Yeah, a whole lot better. We gotta add border radius 3px also, and just reduce this a little bit. 120. Does that make it align with this? Yes, it does. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Also, how do you get that cup of pride? Yeesh. All right, cup of pride. Neat sticker. All right, and then we gotta make action equals monkey.html. But first, let's flash out monkey.html. Do they include the doc type here? Yes, they do. Okay. It's going to indent this. Now, doc type, yes. HTML, head, title, lamao, body, h1, get wrecked. You have been monkey rolled. This was a scam and you fell for it, Lamau. How do you even believe that this was legit? Okay, no, this sounds weird. Imagine this being a legit, actually legit. Imagine thinking that this was legit. Yes, imagine thinking that this was legit. Shaking my head. Beautiful. Everyone watching this who just got tricked would be cringe. Alright, and then now we just add a little video. Wait. How to add video tag HTML. HTML view WC Schools. Faithful as ever. Courtesy of Big Buck Bunny. Okay, so we have video and the dimensions for the thing, and then source equals the file, right? How to use video tag with URL HTML. Add the video URL to the element by using either source attribute. Okay, alright, so we do video source. Okay, cool. Controls. No, we don't want them to have controls. Wait, do we spell out source? Just gotta look back at it again. Okay, src only. Good. Src equals. Where's the monkey thing? Okay. And we have the URL. Beautiful. Are there any other arguments? Right, width and height. Wait, what if I don't pass in the width and height? What would happen? Well, first, let's make sure that every time we enter this, it gives a link to this. I can get the URL pretty easily. Okay, monkey noise rickroll, Yangshan replica. Wait, that's it? Oh. I thought we have like a slash index.html or something. Okay, now what if I just do monkey.html here, right? But let's enter this. It does work. Okay. Then form action equals this. So that should send us to that page every time we enter anything. Yes, yes it does. It works. Beautiful. Nice. But then why isn't the video working? That's weird. Okay, I guess I gotta define the Hive. Hive 200px. Wait, standard YouTube video dimensions. 69. Okay, aspect ratio. 69, almost 69. Too bad it isn't 69. Alright, then 160px. Wait, entered the wrong way. 160px. Height and width. 16.9. Oh, the width is supposed to be 16. And the height is 9. Okay. Alright, let's see if this works. Darn it, it doesn't work. Dang. Alright, folks. It's 8 o'clock. I gotta go, but I think I can fix this pretty easily. By next stream, you're gonna have a monkey roll thing. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna post the link in the stream. I'm gonna give you guys a link next stream, so you guys can monkey roll whoever you want. Until then, see you, I guess. Man, too bad I have to go this early. There's some good stuff to do. This stream was going pretty fine. And got a follow today. Pretty proud of that. Oh yeah, that what? In case you hadn't noticed, I have 35 followers now. Met the follow go epic. Alright then, see you, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glitch cats. Poggers. Alright, see you folks. Why does it spike? Why does the viewer count spike the moment I end the stream? I swear. Alright, see you guys. Have a great week, and see you next week. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Taipei time, as ever.